okay, I told you on the realest. Baby, stay in touch just to let me know you feel it. We could like to pay, always calculated digits. Feel like winning, no, nah, I ain't got no sense.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. This is definitely a late intro, but I have an excuse. The other day, I didn't know if I was gonna have time to fish or not, and I ended up getting probably like an hour and a half. So I definitely didn't have time to do an intro. But here it is. I ended up doing good. I caught 5, which is definitely a bag. I only weighed probably 3, maybe 4 of the 5 fish, but I ain't gonna say it was a big bag, but it was a pretty good bag. It was respectable for kayak fishing. I don't have a trolling motor or nothing, so I'm just out here playing the wind and the whole 9. But I was actually only throwing 2 rods this time, and I'm gonna show you what I threw actually. So I was throwing a swim jig. Can't go wrong with that. They love that. They were killing it. I actually caught 4 out of the 5 fish. And I missed my kicker. It was probably like 4 pounds right at dark. I'm gonna try to put that in there too. But throwing it on this mock crush lose combo, 7.3 medium heavy. And then when you're around the pads, you gotta throw the frog. KVD sexy frog. Well, how rude was that, Air Force? Jeez. I'm trying to film over here for my 27 followers, but it's all good. I love y'all. Anyways, I was throwing that on the KVD Sexy Frog on the Abu Garcia Zeta and Veritas combo. I love this one the best, just for the simple reason that it's a heavy fast action, so I got enough backbone to get them out of the pads. But the tip's also really soft, so I can actually walk the bait. I was able to catch one off of that, and that was pretty exciting. Huge blow up, by the way, but here we go. First off, I would like to say it's extremely hot outside. Second of all, I would like to say that I'm super excited to be out here. Third of all, I'd like to say let's get on some of these fish. Second of all, fourth of all, I like to be able to take off. Oh yeah. As soon as it hit the water, choked it. Let's go.
Golly. Lord. Woo. Let's go. Golly. That was scary. 224.
Okay, I told you on the realest. Baby, stay in touch just to let me know you feel it. We could like to pay, always calculated digits. Feel like winning, no, nah, I ain't got no sellers. Imagine that, started fucking with my image. Wonder why you still can place it, cause you like a ton of vision.
Hey, give me three, give me three. Don't bite me, bro. What the heck wrong with you? I ain't gonna win. Let's go. Let's go! That's three. Easy. Give me three. 284. See ya. He was running at me. I didn't know how big he was. That's 5. Let's go.
And that ain't what we used to. I can show you proof my words can levitate and move you. Everyone can make it to the top of how I lose you. Try to hold it down, but we too up and you confused. Just thinking about the move that we would make, man, I can't think straight. Ran around my city, we was wild, but kept the bank straight. To another city with my